What if you could ditch your giant black screen TV and project a massive 200-inch cinema anywhere? Meet the AWOL Vision Aetherion 4K RGB Laser Projector. Big TVs dominate your walls and are a total nightmare to move. The Aetherion gives you 2.37 times the screen area of a 65-inch TV without the bulky glass. No ceiling mounts or messy cables, with a 0.21 throw ratio sitting just 15.8 centimeters from the wall, gives you an instant 100-inch display. Powered by a custom Texas Instruments DMD controller, it nails the core trinity of picture quality, raw brightness, deep contrast, and studio color. Forget closing the blinds. Pushing up to 3,300 ISO lumens, the Aetherion cuts straight through daylight and ambient room lights with ease. For true pitch black levels, dynamic EBL technology and a physical 7-level optical aperture team up to deliver an insane 60,001 contrast ratio. An RGB triple laser engine covers 110% of rec, 20/20 color, while PixelLock tech keeps every edge razor sharp. Gamers, this is your dream setup: ultra-low 1 millisecond input lag, 240 Hz refresh rate, VRR support, and Dolby Vision gaming built right in. Film lovers get authentic 24 frames per second filmmaker mode, MEMC action smoothing for live sports, and fatigue-free active 3D support. Pair it with an ambient light rejecting screen that blocks 90% of overhead light available in wall-mounted or instant pop-up floor models. Stream seamlessly with native Google TV 14. Plug in via 13 total connectivity ports and enjoy whisper-quiet 28 decibel cooling. Pick the 3300 Lumen Max in gunmetal or the 2600 Lumen Pro in matte black, both packing the exact same flagship RGB laser engine. Crowned AVS Forum's Best of CES 2026, experts call it an uncompromising home theater upgrade that completely redefines daily viewing. Stop buying bigger TV boxes. Remove the screen borders completely and transform your room with the AWOL Vision Aetherion.